guys, we are on a little adventure this morning. What are we going to go get?
A cannon.
You mean like a real cannon?
Yes. It's
How
a
old?
British cannon.
How old is this cannon? Do we know yet? Well, we got the 1010 in tow behind us with the boom on the back and a couple chains. We're going to go see if we can't rescue a cannon that's been sitting on a concrete pedestal in front of a business in one of our local towns. The current owner doesn't want the cannon sitting out front on the pedestal, so they're giving it away to whoever will come and get it. So we're going to get it with some friends. So we'll see how it goes.
We were debating on the way over here how far down that concrete piling goes. We might can just snatch the whole thing.
Well, I figured I'd give it a tug and see if it moves and then go from there.
That was British?
I think so.
So this is a British, no, don't chisel it.
No.
So this right here is a British war stamp. So it's a broad arrow. They call it a broad arrow mark.
Okay.
So all British military things will have that mark. And actually even some British watches and
Yes,
stuff. This is the weight. So this is 1/100th, and 100th weight is 112 pounds. This is a 1/4 weight. A quarter weight is 28 pounds, and then 4 pounds on top of it. No, that's 28's wrong. So 20.
Yeah, it's 112. What's a quarter of 112? What's a quarter of 12? What's a quarter of 12?
So it's 26.
Quarter of 12.
4.
3 is a quarter of 12. What's a quarter of 100?
25.
So what's 25 plus 3?
28.
28.
So yeah.
So 128 is those two, and then add the quarter or the 4.
Supposed to equal 144.
Up now what?
Down a little bit. Up a little bit. All right, got it. Might not move at all, but we'll find out. Who wants to take a bet and move?
$3.
I wouldn't do it. We're gonna have a giant hole in the ground.
It's got a plate underneath.
Yeah,
Where's
I
that?
would.
Where's that shovel at?
I would.
Holy bro. Got a beam coming out that way and this way. Where's that shovel, Harold? Alright. Yes, sir.
We rescuing the cannon. It ain't thrown away.
Oh, what you do with it?
Boy Scout troop.
Yes,
How
sir.
heavy that thing?
The cannon itself is only 144 pounds.
That's cement its own.
A cement its own is probably, yeah, at least.
Several more than that, I bet.
That's why we brought the JD to do the lifting.
Have a good day.
Yes, sir.
You too.
Chain it up good. It won't slide off.
Yeah, I sent Steven a picture of it out of the ground
Yeah.
with the base gone. He's like, holy crud.
Parker, you gotta remember, you gotta go like this. You gotta go. That's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
That's how you know you're sure it's not going anywhere, right?
That ain't going nowhere.
All about it.
It looks like the vent hole is still good. It may have been converted because that's a weird vent piece.
Your chisel lift that one out?
Maybe when they were building the building, they found it there. Yeah, if it was in the dirt right there, that would be kind of neat. And they put it
Have to
on
look
the
and see if
concrete.
anybody's found a cannon in Hartsville.
Oh,
I
yeah.
would think it would have made the newspaper.
That would be cool.
So that means we're stealing a historic artifact.
Well, we were given permission.
We're
by-
given
Permission to steal.
permission to loot
permission to loot.
a historic artifact.
Well, all the politics in it. Yeah, I'm glad it popped. The whole thing popped up out the ground. That worked out a lot better.
That made a lot less work.
Yeah, we can
Now we can get where we can get proper tools to work.
try to separate the cannon from the concrete.
We should have separated it here and just left in a big stop.
Yeah.
We just left the post.
Yeah, well, we
Well-
figured you could put a bird fountain on it or something.
Yeah. Doesn't seem to be moving.
I'm assuming it's bronze.
It might be steel because it looks like rust on
It
the
looks
bottom
like it's
side
got-
of it.
Looks like it's got a little rust areas, but
Yeah,
so I'm thinking it's
I
going to
think it's steel.
could be steel.
We're sovereign citizens. We're traveling with a cannon.
I'm not engaged in commercial purposes.
That's right. We're not engaged in commercial purposes. We're allowed to just go where we want.
Just a little bit. You might want to be on this side because it'll fall that way.
Well, that's why I'm getting that side first because it's still the other side still hooked up. That way I can back away from it.
Just to see that one strap was flat and one's round.
Yeah, I know.
They just made it out of whatever they had rather than what they have to move them.
Try the center and I'm going to lift it a little bit.
Hey.
Oh, hey, it's coming loose.
It's loose.
It's already popping out.
All right. Well, we didn't have to try that
Watch
hard,
yourself,
did we?
Hal. Give this side a pop.
Y'all
I
boys
think
back
it's-
up.
I think it's gonna go. There you go. Pretty.
All right.
One cannon out of a column.
We got a cannon.
It looks good.
It looks, yeah, I mean, it's not bad.
Surprisingly good shape. considering.
I'm curious. I want to put a wire wheel to it and see what the metal is.
And
You
especially
ain't back yet?
a little bit on here and on there to see if there's anything marked on the trunnions. Because sometimes they'll have stamped it or it'll have a name somewhere on it.
We actually need to tilt it down and see if we can clean out that barrel too. Hey.
There we go.
Oh wow.
Hang on here, we'll put the mirror
What
behind
in
it.
the world?
A
It's like an old
bottle.
medicine bottle.
That
That's
is cool.
Hey,
What
what
is
how old
that?
that
Like
is?
a rock?
The barrel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
What is
Medicine bottle.
Medicine
Little
bottle.
old medicine bottle.
And there's some kind of rock. Is that a rock?
Looks like aluminum foil.
Hey.
I think we're about clear.
Open that up. See if you can see what that is. Oh, don't tear it. Oh, it's an old Lance cracker, but it's real old. Look at that.
12 cents, 15 cents, whatever it is.
15-cent potato chips.
When was the last time you got a bag of potatoes for 15 cents?
Hold it up there. 15-cent potato chips. Barbecue flavor. And there's something else. See if you can get that open.
That's the end of
We should actually fire it from the John Deere.
it. Oh, that would be cool.
The John Deere field artillery piece.
You ain't back with that black powder yet?
I know. So it's almost, not quite a 2-inch.
1 3/4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I was wondering. 'Cause that's what usually it would be. Yeah, gold paint. Yeah, tan paint. Somebody had it spray painted gold.
Yeah. This actually will protect it for a while.
Oh, yeah.
A little engine oil.
Good stuff.
Man, you can watch it down with a little bit of brake clean or something.
That's the time.
We'll cut it off. It'll be good.
Yeah, I whacked my head in the attic. My mom's like, "What'd you say?" I was like, "I didn't say anything." "Yes, you did." I was like, "I did."
Oh man, that looks so good.
Look what we have in your garage here. Look at what you have in your garage here.
Yes.
Look at the bore size.
Holy cow! Dude, we could shoot one of these out.
We totally could shoot one of these.
Look at all this stuff.
We could easily, yeah.
Put one down the bore.
Let's do it.
The right way.
We got to go aim it somewhere.
Oh, we just aim at the woods right there.
We'll aim it right
We
through
want to
that
aim it
hole.
up.
Yeah.
We want to arc it. Where's the boys?
I'm trying to get a fence.
Fits quite well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
we got this.
Yeah.
Okay, this will be the first
Inaugural firing.
That's the
inaugural
test.
firing of this.
Over 100 years.
Probably over 100 years since it shot anything out the barrel.
This is an unofficial.
If ever.
We've got the mortar. All right, so I'm going to light it. I'm going to ram it. And we're going to stand back.
One
and
like
watch.
here.
All right, boys.
Ready?
Everybody ready?
We're ready. That was awesome.
I want that video.
That is great. Yeah, buddy. That's one way to clean it out.
Got a wrench, we need to take this plug out.
Alright, y'all want to do another one?
I'm in.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You don't even have to ask that question.
You have to ask that question.
The
You haven't
statement
hang
is,
around
we're gonna
that
do
long
another
enough.
Man, so is there like gunpowder in it that's firing it?
No,
No, that was
it's
a mortar,
it's a mortar
firework
shell
mortar.
firework.
But we just use this as the tube instead of the cardboard
Got a
tube.
little smoke coming out the action barrel.
Absolutely.
Looks sweet.
That's awesome.
For New Year's.
Yeah. We have a cannon attached to a John Deere tractor.
To a John Deere tractor. Alright, here we go.
Here we
Not
go.
redneck at all.
Let's do it.
Depth perception is off here, sir.
Alright. One more. I had three extras over there anyway, so.
One more.
I like this story.
All right.
They'll have 36 extra by tonight.
Firing mortars out of.
Order in the hole.
That is so.
That never gets old.
That's cool.
That never gets
Oh,
old.
wow.
Yes.
Yeah, because I make a form. So I got a dowel. You put the dowel and you make an aluminum cup.
Smoke's coming out.
You put gunpowder in it, ram it down in there. Then
Guys, appreciate you watching the video. Give me a like and comment if you don't mind. It does help the channel. I hope you enjoyed us bringing this old 100 plus year old cannon back to life. We're going to do more with it in the future. We hadn't quite figured out how we're going to do or what we're going to do, but we'll definitely shoot it for real here in the sometime down the road. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.